Okay, hello again everybody. What I'm going to show you how to do now is print titles with an Excel document. Now what does all that mean? Well, if you recall when we froze the panes earlier in another video, let me repeat that now. We'll go over here to freeze the panes, and let me freeze those panes. Now you can see it works fine here as I scroll to the right and scroll down, that I can keep those rows and columns visible. But on the printout, if you take a look at it, when I move to the next page, those first rows do not repeat. When I move to another page where I get subsequent columns, likewise those first columns do not repeat. Okay, and this is kind of especially important in a printout, I think, because all the pages are coming out separately. Your boss is looking at this and he's thinking, 0.8, whose score is that? Nobody knows. Okay, and he gets down here to one of these bottom pages, he doesn't even know what test it represents, so it's kind of meaningless. You'd like to get the same kind of effect as freezing panes on a printout. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do that. Go to Page Layout tab, and here you'll see Print Titles. Okay, now rows to repeat at the top. Okay, well I actually want all of these, so I'm going to click in there first. Then I'm going to highlight all these rows, the entire row. So make sure you select the entire row by dragging it down the numbers. Alright, that selects the entire row, and that's how a row range is represented in Excel. Okay, now the number of columns, the columns to repeat at left, well I want these two columns up here to repeat. So pull across like that, C1 through C2. Okay, there, and I got these two ranges, these numbers of rows, these numbers of columns. Alright, now click OK. Now if you do a print preview, now on every page you see those first two columns and those first 4 or 5 rows. I can't remember how many it was, but last name, first name is always there, and what's above it, and the first and last name are always there on every page. Okay, this is something your boss is going to appreciate if you do something like this. So printing titles is a nice skill to learn for printing options. Okay, thanks very much. I'll see you in the next video.